A lot of times our customers come to us with weldments where we turn it into one continuous permanent mold casting.
Fabrications aren't as strong and structurally sound as castings.
Have one solid piece of product versus where you're going to have potential weak spots where you're welding things together.
Permanent mold castings are more consistent and repeatable than weldments. It's machine controlled, so you get a consistent pour every time.
Choosing permanent mold over weldment really has to do with the long-term aspect of a project. If you're looking at something that is going to be living in the industry throughout many years, you're going to want to do castings, as you're going to see a long-term payout effect and a huge return on your investment.
If you're welding thousands of complex pieces together, you can save time and money by casting it into one solid product.
If you're interested in finding out more about castings or would like to get a quote, you can either check out our website at batesvilleproducts.com, or you can reach us through our phone number, which is 812-537-2275. We'd be happy to answer any of your questions.